Thanks for tuning in today. I'm John Holmes with Holmes Hobbies, and today we are going to continue testing on the Capra. Let me know if you have picked up a Capra by now. They have not only kit, but the RTR version available. I am doing a little bit of testing today with a 2200 kV Puller Pro. This is the version 2. So this one has essentially better sensors, better housing, better drag brake, just an improvement all around. Now, I will say that the low speed control on this is much better when we're unloaded. And I have discussed this in previous Capra videos, but you know, we can go pretty dang slow for having all of this wheel speed. But as soon as we put a load on it, it actually doesn't want to always crawl as slow, which I believe is shimming in the ring and pinion. In particular, the pinion needs to be brought in. Since they're hypoid gears, they're very sensitive to their positioning, and I think that this rig could do with a little bit better shimming. The current setup that I have in this rig is a Mamba X tuned just like I normally tune it. You can find that on our YouTube page on how to program a brushless speed controller. I'm currently running an HV 500 servo on the front. This is our 7.4 volt servo version 2, which we just came out with the version 3, so I just haven't installed it yet. A little bit of bump. Oh, a lot of bump. Also, let's see, running the 2200 Puller Pro Standard and some generic 3S LiPo that I forget which one it is. We also have the TGH 30% overdrive gears. You may see them listed as 36% overdrive gears now. 36% with the average overdrive calculation. Let's just look at this downhill descent control with the active brakes that the Mamba has, active drag. I'm just barely giving it a little bit of throttle here. And it only free coasts as much as I let it, which is real nice. Glad to see pretty much all companies starting to integrate that into their ESCs. We have that now in the newly released firmware of our BRXL as well for those brushed folks. Uh-oh. Is it gonna do it? It's gonna flip over is what it's gonna do. Nice and tractable. So I've really been liking this Capra, I must say. Overall, you know, it's not the stoutest design with the axles, but they're really capable. They've got tons of clearance, just all kinds of clearance. I can take lines on these rocks that I can't take with any other rigs, essentially. And it's a lot of fun to drive. Almost too capable though. I'm gonna be going down to the Ultimate Scale Truck Expo here in a couple of days. And I would like to bring this rig, but it's so capable that I'm kind of worried that I'm not gonna have as much fun out on their trails, because this one's just going to eat them up. So we'll see. Oh yeah, lots and lots of control with this rig. Really digging it. I still haven't installed the dig servo yet either. One of these days. And let's just see what kind of pop we can get. Oh yeah, loving that. Loving a little bit of wheel speed. Anyway, I like a lot of wheel speed on my rigs. I like to keep that low speed control. Let's see if I can do that again. Let's see how repeatable this rig jumps. Let's see if we can just get it bound up. Rip wrap is by far one of the hardest things on a rig. You just get them bound down. The servos don't like it. Hand of God. Let there be flips. The servos don't like it. The motors don't like it. The drivetrain doesn't like it. Just generally, rip wrap is hard on rigs, which is why I have a pile of rip wrap rock in the backyard, just for hard testing. All right, let's see if we can get one more jump out of this guy. Oh, wheelied out of it. Well, I must say I'm still really digging the Capra. Although it is an extremely capable rig, sometimes it's fun to drive really capable rigs. I do think I'll be taking this down with me to USTE, and we'll just see if it eats up those trails like, you know, Cookie Monster and cookies. So if you do have any questions about it, post them down below as always. And I do thank you for tuning in. Have a good day.